Hey guys, welcome back. As I've explained in my previous video on how that I'm going to show you how to create a simple vision board. And here is the video. First, you go to your printers and search for anything that you want. For instance, here I'm searching for um hair kind of hairstyles because I want to be intentional about my hair. So I search and I got a picture. I got this and I like it. Like this comprises of hair and skin, and that's one of the goal I have for this year. So I went ahead to download the image. You download the image. So after that, you just go straight to your Canva. If you're familiar with Canva, this is going to be easy. If you don't have the Canva app, just go on Play Store and download it. Then go on Canva and type vision board. It will bring out thousands and thousands of templates for you. So just pick anyone and then you design to your to you redesign to your taste, or you can just create from the beginning by clicking the blank and then you just create your whatever you want to create. So yeah, I'm just scrolling to see which templates I want to use, of which I've gotten one. I'm going to be working with this. It's simple, just image. I'm going to be working with this. So just follow up and see how I'm going to be doing this. I change the color because I want white. I want white and with touch of pink or nude. Let's see what is going to happen. So I make a title from this. Do it afraid 2024. Do it afraid, no matter the circumstances, no matter the challenge. Do it, just do it afraid. So right here is written vision board, so I'm going to change it to something else. I'm going to change it to that means vision board 2024. I'm just going to write something to make it no realistic that this is actually my vision board for 2024. I'm just using this as an example. This is not my real, this is not the actual vision board I created for myself for 2024, but I'm just citing these ones as a sample. So it's going to be very basic, very simple for you to design your own, just like an. So right now I want to change this image. You click this plus button down, that purple, and then you just scroll to your gallery or your upload. If you've uploaded the image to your canvas, you are going to upload. If you've not uploaded it, then you can just pick from your gallery. So the image that I downloaded some, so I'm going to click on them and it will pop up on the page you are working with, and then you can just arrange no matter how many images that you've download, whatever, be it writtens, pictures, just pick it like that and then arrange to your taste, arrange to as you want. As I'm doing, just follow up and you get to know how to do it perfectly. That is that about how to make a simple vision board. Keep watching, and if you enjoy if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe because I have a lot to share for you this year. Yes, so keep on watching, and then I hope you get to make your own. Also, it is not too late. It is not too late. The year is still fresh, it's still new, and today, um, so it is not too late to make your own vision board. So this is it. I think I'm going to leave it like this. So for you to download this, just click on this arrow down up, click, and then it's going to save as image into your gallery automatically. So it's downloading, done. So you can just get to view it on your